Hi my dear first class children, welcome to maths class. Good morning. We completed 2 chapters. Now we are in 3rd chapter, chapter 3, addition up to 20. Addition up to 20. Addition, we putting 2 or more numbers together, or we putting 2 or more things together. That is called addition. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. Plus. P-L-U-S. What is the result of addition? Total. T-O-L. T-O-T-A-L. Total. T-O-T-A-L. Total. Plus C symbol for addition. The result of addition is total. Actually addition means we putting 2 or more numbers together, we get a new number. That new number is total. This is symbol for addition. Next, addition facts. That means rules in the addition. When we add 1 to a number, the total goes to after number of the given number, just after number of the given number. When we add 0 to a number, the total is same number. I show you. See, 3 plus 0, 3. 6 plus 0, 6. 14 plus 0, 14. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 16, 16. Okay? We add 0 to a number, the total is same number. The total is same number. 3 plus 0, 3. 14 plus 0, 14. 0 plus 16, 16. This is the rule in the addition. Next one. When we add 1 to a number, the total is after number. We add numbers in any order, 0 plus 3 or 3 plus 0, 6 plus 0 or 0 plus 6, 14 plus 0, 0 plus 14, 0 plus 9, 9 plus 0, 0 plus 16 or 16 plus 0, the total is same number. Now using 1, 5 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 12 plus 1, 1 plus 15, 1 plus 18. Now let us see what is the total. We add 1 to a number, the total is after number of the given number. That means next number. 5 after 6, 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 8 plus 1, 8 after 9. This rule, we add 1 to a number. 12 plus 1, 12 after 13. 12 after 13. Next, 1 plus 15 or 15 plus 1. We add 1 to number or number to 1, same value. What comes after 15? 16. 1 plus 18. 18 plus 1. After number of 18, 19. Understood the concept? Okay. Plus 0, same number. Plus 1, after number. Now, next one. Addition of 2 one-digit numbers. Addition of 2 one-digit numbers. What are one-digit numbers, Nana? Yes, 1 to 9 numbers are one-digit numbers. Now we are going to put together 2 one-digit numbers. That means we are going to do addition of 2 one-digit numbers. See. 4 plus 5, how much? Here write the numbers side by side. Now we write the numbers one below the other. One digit means ones, isn't it? Now first number is 4, second number is 5. Right below 4 striped. Put the symbol aside. Put 2 dashes. Okay? Numbers should be striped. Numbers should be striped. Now do the process. Take 4 fingers. Take 4 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer also 1 digit number. Answer also 1 digit number. Here we adding 2 1 digit numbers. The total also 1 digit number. Okay. Next one. Here answer is 9. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. How to read it? 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Or 5 plus 4, 9. We add numbers in any order. 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4. Answer is 9 only. Next one. Again, addition of 2 1 digit numbers. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Write both the numbers one below the other. 1 digit means ones. 6, 2 right below 6 and put 2 dashes and put the symbol plus. Now add these two numbers putting together. Take 6 fingers. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kada? Now adding like this. 2 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8. 8 only comes. That means we can add numbers in any order. We get same total. 6 plus 2 or 2 plus 6. 8 only comes. Another one. Are you understood? Next one. 4 plus 4. Both are 1 digit numbers. Ones. 4. Write another 4. Put the symbol plus. 2 dashes. 4 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. This is going to addition of 2 1 digit numbers. 2 1 digit numbers. Next one. Find the number and do addition on the number line. 3 plus 5. Given addition is 3 plus 5. We are going to show this addition on the number line. Number line start from 0. We write the numbers in order with equal gaps. 0 to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the number line from 0 to 10. What is the first number? 3. Now move forward 3 steps from 0 to 3. Okay, next to 5. Next move right side 5 steps again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Now the answer is 8. That means 3 plus 5 equal to 8. This is addition doing on the number line. First number is 3. First take 3 steps forward. Next go right side again 5 steps. 5 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 8. That means 8 is the total. This is addition on the number line. Next one. Next one. See. 4 plus 7. We don't know the second number. How do you get second number? First number is 4 given. Answer is given. But we don't know the second number. How do you get second number? How to fill up this box? See, how much should be added to 4? We get 7. How much should be added to 4? We get 7. 4 ki enta add cheste 7 vastundi. Okay? How to add? Come on, look at me. Ready na? 4 after 5, 6, 7. How many? 3. That means 4 plus 3, 7. How do you get this number? We count 4 after till we get 7. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. How many fingers raised? 3 fingers. Here we should be added 3 to 4. We get 7. Another one. We don't know the first number. Second number is 6. Answer is 9. How much should be added to 6? We get 9. How much should be added to 6? We get 9. Again start 6. Counting start from after 6 till we get 9. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. We get 9. How many fingers? 3. That means we should be added 3 to 6. We get 9. Another one. 2 plus 6. Find the total. This is normal addition. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Otherwise, take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can add the numbers in any order. We get the same total. 2 ni 6 to add chesina, 6 ni 2 to add chesina, answer 8 vastundi. Okay? Here we are going to putting together 2 numbers. Next one. Four plus second number we don't know, 7 is answer. How much should be added to 4? We get 7. How much should be? What is the second number? How to find out the second number? We don't know the second number. Then come on. 4 after 5, 6, 7. How much? 3. That means 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Next. 1 plus 0. 1. Very good. 2 plus 0. 2. 3 plus 0. 3. 4 plus 0. 4. 5 plus 0. 5. 6 plus 0. 6. 7 plus 0. 7. Like that. Numbers added to 0. Answer is same. 0 plus 1. 1. 0 plus 2. 2. 0 plus 3. 3. 0 plus 4. 4. 0 plus 5. 5. 0 plus 6. 6. Another one. 1 plus 1. 1 and 1 make. 1 and 1 make 2. Very good. Double number. 2 plus 2. Sorry. First 1 to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3. Very good. 3 plus 1. 4. 4 plus 1. 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 6 plus 1, 7. See, we add 1 to number. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 6, 7. After number. Next one. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. Plus C symbol for addition. Next one, word problems. Already we done these word problems in our textbook. Red crayon, green crayons. One red crayon and two green crayons make 3 crayons. Total crayons are 3. Red apples, 5 red apples. Green apples, 2. 5 and 2 make total apples are 7. How many total apples? 7. Next one. Cookies. 6 cookies, 8 on Monday. 3 cookies, 8 on Tuesday. That means here we are going to putting together 6 and 3. The answer is 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Total cookies are 9. Here butterflies. First here 5 butterflies are there. Again 2 more butterflies joined to them. Already 5 are here. 2 more are come and join. Then total butterflies are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. I think you all are completed this exercise 3C. Now going to next one. Adding 2 one-digit numbers to get 2-digit number. 2 one-digit numbers add చేస్తే 2-digit number వస్తుందంట. చూద్దామా? Come on. 6 plus 5. What is the addition? 6 plus 5. Write both the numbers one below the other. 6 plus 5. One-digit numbers ones. We are going to putting together one-digit numbers. We get 2-digit number. The total goes to 2-digit number. Ready? We can add the numbers in any order. We get the same number. 6 plus 5 or 5 plus 6. Come on, take 6 fingers. 6. 5 after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. Write in the tens place and ones place. The answer goes to 11. What is the answer? 11. Ones, tens. 11 means 1, 10 and 1. 11 means 2-digit number. 2-digit means 2 places. Ones place, tens place. 11 means 10 plus 1. 11 means 10 plus 1. Understood? Here we are adding 2 one-digit numbers. The answer is 2-digit number. 2-digit means the number having 2 places. Ones place, tens place. Go for ones, T for tens. 11 means 1 10 and 1 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 1, 11. Next one. Understood? Okay, very good. 9 plus 5. Both are one-digit numbers. 9 plus 5. Come on, do addition. 9 and 5, one-digit numbers. Ones place. Now take 9 fingers. 9 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take 9 fingers like this. 5 after. Second number is 5. Start counting 5 after. Ready na? Say one number and fold one finger. Ready? 5 after. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the answer? 14. 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. ones place, tens place. Put here tens. Now answer is 2-digit number. 14 having 1 10 and 4 ones. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 means 10 plus 4. 14 means 10 plus 4. Another addition. Are you understood? Go to next one. Adding two one-digit numbers to give two-digit number. 8 plus 6. Find the total. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. We get answer is two-digit number. That's why put the places tens and ones. Adding ones. Take 8 fingers. Come on, take 8 fingers. These are 8. Isn't it? Second number is 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the answer? Again 14. 14. 1 10, 4 ones. 1 right in the tens place, 4 right in the ones place. We get the answer is 14. 14 means 10 plus 4. 14 means 10 plus 4. Another one. Here we are adding one-digit numbers. Answer is two-digit number. Two-digit means that number having two places. Ones place, tens place. Another example. Ready now? Okay. 7 plus 6. What is the given addition? 7 plus 6. One-digit numbers. Take 7 fingers, Nana. Take 7 fingers. Come on. Yes, these are 7. These are 7. Second number is 6. Start counting after 6. Ready? After 6. 6 after. What should you say? 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is the total? 13. 13. 3 ones, 1 10. 13 means 1 10 plus 3 ones. 10 plus 3, 13. 2-digit means ones place, tens place. 13 means 1 10 and 3 ones. Another one. Understood the concept? Okay. 9 plus 6. Find the total. Ones and tens. Ready? Take 9 fingers. Come on, take 9 fingers. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am ready. I am take 9 fingers. You also take. Are you taking? Come on. 9 fingers. 6 after. 6 after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 plus 6, 15. 1, 10, 5 ones. We get two-digit number. 15 equal to 10 plus 5. 15 equal to 10 plus 5. 1, 10, 10. 5 ones, 5. Okay? 5 ones, 1 10. We adding one-digit numbers. We get two-digit number. Now I am going to show addition of two-digit number with one-digit number. Adding two-digit number and one-digit number. Two-digit number and one-digit number up to 20 two-digit numbers. What is the first two-digit number, Nana? 10. What comes after 10? 11. 11 after 12. 12 after 13. 13 after 14. 14 after 15. 15 after 16. 16 after 17. 17 after 18. 18 after 19. 19 after 20. First number is 10. That means in addition we are going to counting forward. Forward means after numbers. Now we are going to add in 2-digit number and 1-digit number. Let us see. 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3. 3 right in the ones place. Why? 3 is 1-digit number. 12 is 2-digit number. Ones place, tens place. 12. 1 10 and 2 ones. 3. 1-digit number. Write in the ones place. Don't write the addition like this. If you are writing like this is wrong. Why? 3 means ones. Write in the ones place only. Okay? Now do addition. Find the total. First adding ones. First adding ones. Come on. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Again. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. 5 right in the ones place. We adding ones. We get 5. Now come to tens. This number having tens. This number having no tens. Then write 1 here. Bring down 1. Now the total is 15. 15 means 1 10 and 5 ones. 15 means 10 plus 5. 15 means 10 plus 5. 15. 1 10, 5 ones. 1 10, 5 ones. Okay, understood? Next one. Another example. 2-digit number and 1-digit number. We add in 2-digit number and 1-digit number. 14 plus 4. 14 plus 4. 14 is 2-digit number. 4 is 1-digit number. 1-digit means ones. That's why 4 right in the ones place. First adding ones. Take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here no tens. Then bring down 1. Now answer is 18. 1 10, 8 ones. 1 10, 8 ones. We adding 2-digit number and 1-digit number. The answer is 2-digit number. One more example. 13 plus 6. 13 is 2-digit number. 6 is 1-digit number. That's why write in the ones place. 1 10, 3 ones. 13. 6 is 1-digit number. First adding ones. 3 plus 6. Ready? Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 9 right in the ones place. Now go to tens. Here first number having tens. Second number having no tens. Then write 1 as it is here. Now answer is 19. 1 10, 9 ones. 1 10, 9 ones. Here we are adding 2-digit number. 1-digit number. The answer is 2-digit number. 2-digit means tens and ones. Go to next one. Next one. 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6. Adding ones. 1 plus 6. Number plus 1. After number. 6 after 7. Here no tens. Write this number as it is. Now the answer is 17. Okay? Again. Adding ones. Take 1 finger. 6 after 7. Here no tens. That's why write this tens number as it is here. Now the answer is 17. 11 plus 6, 17. 11 plus 6, 17. One more example. 2-digit number with 1-digit number. ones. 15 plus 4. 15. 1, 10 and 5 ones. 4, one digit number. Adding ones. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 right in the ones place. Now here no tens. That's why write this tens place number 1 in the answer place. Now the answer is 19. 15 plus 4, 19. 15 plus 4, 19. Another example. Here we are adding 2 digit number and 1 digit number. 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3. 1, 10, 3 ones. 3. Now adding ones. Ready? Take 3 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6. Write in the ones place. Now come to tens. This number having tens. This number having no tens. That's why write this one in the answer place. Now answer is 16. 13 plus 3, 16. 1, 10 and 6 ones. 1, 10 and 6 ones. This is adding 2 digit number and 1 digit number. Understood, my dear children? Okay, my dear children. Learn table of 4. Learn table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay, practice additions in homework book and learn 4 table. Thank you very much, my dear little champions. Take care. Bye.